it's Dr. I here, and I am going to show you in this video how to calibrate our Pro 1030 YSI meter for electrical conductivity or specific conductance. So I am going to first rinse the probe in our rinse solution. So this is the rinse solution. So I'm going to clean wipe, dry off my probe. And with this one, this is a very weird setup that they have. They have the EC meter way up here, and I think that's to keep it away from the pH meter, because the KCl that leaks from the pH meter can change readings of EC meters, so I think that's their way of separating it. But it's very inconvenient because you have to make sure you have it put into the water or the calibration solution deep enough to cover these two holes. So that's usually the big mistake that students make, is they don't put it in deep enough, because you think, why would I have to put it all the way in there? So I'm going to stick it into the rinse bottle. It's going to water my yard a little bit. And I'm just going to set it in there for a little bit, rinse it out, let it rinse. And then I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to switch out my bottle and get my calibration bottle. And so this is the calibration solution. Remember, in the pH video we had a rinse solution, so we could just get that one dirty and it wouldn't matter if we had a little water left on our probe, because it's just the rinse solution. So I put it in the rinse solution first, and now I'm going to stick it into the real calibration solution, real bottle, and I'm going to set this in the sun this time. I'll set down my bottle and press and hold cal, C-A-L, and I'm going to switch it over to conductivity. And we're going to do the specific conductance. And so what specific conductance tells you is it tells you the electrical conductivity corrected for temperature. So it's going to tell us what the electrical conductivity would be if we were at 25 degrees Celsius. We might actually be kind of close to that here today, but it will tell us, that's what it will tell us for specific conductance. So I'm going to press enter, and the units for this are going to be microsiemens per centimeter, and we'll press OK. And 1413, it automatically detects what kind of a solution we have, and that's actually exactly what we want, is the 1413 solution. And so I am going to press enter, and it says now calibration successful. And when we go back to the reading, it gives us the pH on top, the conductance in microsiemens per centimeter, and then specific conductance. And that's the one we want, is the one that's corrected for 25 degrees Celsius. Oh, see, look, it's actually only 15.7 degrees here. So we'll read this one, the 1414. It's 1 unit off, which is still well within error range. All right, so that's how we do it. I'll just show you how to turn this meter off now too. You just press and hold. All right.